Welcome viewers, hope you are having a good time. This is A-line knitted frock with simple top to down knitting pattern, and I have used this I-cord for fitting purpose, and today we are going to learn how to make this I-cord. I have already uploaded the tutorial videos for all parts of this frock. I have attached woolen handmade tassels at the edges of this I-cord. If you want to watch the tutorial video for these tassels, then click the I button that appears on top of the video. In another video, I will teach you how to make this I-cord with the help of 3 loops, and today we are making this I-cord with the help of 4 loops. Okay, let's start. Firstly, we will make a knot, then make 4 chains. I am using 4mm crochet hook and 3-ply knitting yarn. Here we have 1 loop on our crochet hook, and we will make 3 more loops from these chain stitches. We will make first loop at the second stitch and then make 2 more loops from next 2 stitches. Here we have 4 loops on our crochet needle. We will make I-cord based on 4 loops. Now take off 3 loops from the crochet needle and pick this first loop and try to press the remaining stitches with the help of your thumb, so the stitches should not be unweave. Now pull the yarn through this first loop from backward direction and make 1 loop. Then pick the second loop and pull the yarn through this loop. Then pick third loop and pull the yarn through this loop, and then pick fourth loop and pull the yarn through this loop. Now we will again have 4 loops on our crochet needle. Again take off 3 loops from the crochet needle and press the 3 loops with the help of your thumb and pick up first loop and pull the yarn through backward direction from this first loop. Then pick up second loop and pull the yarn through this loop. Then pick up third loop and pull the yarn through this loop, and pick up fourth loop and then again pull the yarn through this loop. Now we will again have 4 loops on our crochet needle. We will repeat this process until we will get our I-cord design length.
Come 1 in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away, but now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. One day I'll be yours again. a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.